The TONOR Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Its low profile allows it to clean under furniture with ease, meaning you don't have to. With its dual rotating brushes and superior suction, it makes keeping your home clean that much easier. Its wide array of sensors means that it can automatically avoid all obstacles in its path. And its edge detection technology prevents it from falling off high surfaces. It features additional modes such as edge cleaning mode, timed cleaning mode, and small room mode. And once it has finished cleaning, it will automatically return to its dock and charge. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use. So why wait? Get yours today.
Live smart. Enjoy life. ECOVACS Robotics.
How quick does mopping make you say, I want to rest for a short while, or make your muscles ache until you feel sick and want to lay down? Mopping has tired people out for generations, until now. The EVERYBOT RS700 is changing the world. With the touch of a button, EVERYBOT will automatically mop your floors. With its built-in, multi-directional sensors, set it down, turn it on, and EVERYBOT will navigate itself. Worried about dust? No problem. Stains? No big deal. EVERYBOT's dual-spin mopping technology will banish every last speck of floor grime. EVERYBOT has 4 major design cornerstones. First, the powerful dual-spin mop mimics the motion of cleaning by hand. Next, EVERYBOT is built to press 100% of the amount of pressure as mopping by hand. The auto water supply system means every inch of floor enjoys continuous wet cleaning. Lastly, diving yarn and microfiber patented mops keep every surface 100% clean, from stains to dust, which make your floors sparkle beautifully. Select your preferred cleaning mode to fit your floor conditions, and EVERYBOT will do the rest. The compact 11-centimeter height means cleaning under beds and sofas is easy. Built-in multi-directional sensors means your EVERYBOT will have no problem avoiding obstacles like furniture, staircases, floor vents, and drains. And the luminescence sensor moves EVERYBOT into a well-lit area, so you'll never trip on your EVERYBOT in the dark. EVERYBOT has 20 utility patents, multiple accolades and awards, and is ready to export to over 10 countries in the world. Don't wear yourself out mopping alone. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with your very own EVERYBOT and increase your quality of life today.
Auto cleaning will start soon. Low power. Auto charge will start soon. Robot will continue auto cleaning. Cleaning finish. Robot will go back to charging dock soon.
With our new Neato D7, Kat and I get along much better because we don't have to worry about who's going to get in trouble.
I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that.
With Neato D7, they use their voice to schedule cleanings. So they come back to a freshly vacuumed home, and it's nothing but love, man.
It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
And if there's an area that's off limits, it's easy to teach the D7 where not to go.
Neato uses lasers to map and navigate multiple rooms, then tells you exactly where it's cleaned.
So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts we won't ever be able to shake.
Hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home, at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface. Working non-stop for up to 2 hours, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experiences of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 980's cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 980 from just about anywhere at any time. In short, the Roomba 980 takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. For beautifully vacuumed floors every day, throughout your home, the Roomba 980, the power to change the way you clean.
Coredy R500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a multifunctional robot with cleaning, sweeping, vacuuming, and wet-dry mopping, brings excellent and comprehensive cleaning performance for your household work. With its 2.7 ultra-thin design, Coredy Robot Vacuum can vacuum where dirt and dust hide, navigating around furniture and under beds, sofas, and other hard-to-reach areas. 5 cleaning modes ensure fully cleaning for multiple family environments. With R500 convenient remote control, you can remotely control robot vacuum cleaning path and to preset a cleaning time. Extremely low noise, providing a quieter cleaning experience when your baby's sleeping. Unique V-shaped rubber roller brush with patented tangle-free technology. Great for picking up hair, pet fur, and debris without tangling. 12 infrared sensors combined with a pressure-sensitive bumper for enhanced navigation, protecting your robot from falling. The robot can be scheduled to clean up to 7 times per week, even at times you're sleeping or not at home. Coredy R500 cleans up to 110 minutes per charge. Automatically goes back to charging base when in low power or when clean work is done. Always charged and ready to clean.